Welcome back to the channel. Today is June 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest on Ouster Incorporated, ticker symbol OUSD, plus a trading strategy for those watching this fast-moving LiDAR technology stock. Let's start with the numbers. OUSD closed at $18.07 on June 13th, down 7.24% for the day, but the stock has been in a strong uptrend since October 2020, recently hitting highs above $19. In the past month, OUSD has seen significant volatility, with daily swings of over 23% and 21 green days out of the last 30, showing strong momentum but also high risk. The 14-day RSI is currently at 79.39, indicating the stock is deep in overbought territory, and the Fear and Greed Index is at 39, suggesting traders are cautious despite the bullish trend. Looking ahead, forecasts for OUSD are mixed. Some models predict an average price of $20.76 for 2025, with high-end targets as much as $41.37, but also a low estimate near 15 cents, highlighting the uncertainty and potential for big moves in either direction. Another forecast projects a more conservative one-year target of $21.59, about 12% higher than today's price, but notes that OUSD is currently trading well above some technical models, raising the risk of a pullback. Now, let's talk trading strategy. With OUSD showing both strong momentum and signs of being overbought, risk management is crucial. For aggressive traders, look for a potential pullback toward the $16 to $17 range, which could offer a better entry if the stock cools off. If OUSD holds above $18 and breaks through $19 with volume, it could signal another leg higher toward the $21 to $22 resistance zone. However, set a tight stop loss just below recent support to protect against sharp reversals, especially given the high volatility and overbought technicals. For more conservative investors, it may be wise to wait for the RSI to drop below 70 or for a period of consolidation before considering a position, as the current setup suggests the stock could be due for a correction. That's your OUSD stock update for June 14th, 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you're trading Ouster in this volatile market. See you in the next video.